The Poco F7 series global launch is reportedly set to take place on March 27th. New lineup will feature two models at launch, the Poco F7 Pro and Poco F7 Ultra. Amazon listing screenshots the F7 Pro model starting at €599. Now Poco F7 Pro and F7 Ultra image leaks. Poco F7 Pro is to be a rebranded Redmi K80 featuring the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, running on Xiaomi HyperOS 2.0 and Android 15. Poco F7 Pro come in black, white, mint, blue color. Poco F7 Pro include a 6.67-inch 120Hz OLED panel with 2K resolution. It come with a dual camera sensor with a 50MP primary shooter with OIS and EIS and a 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens. A 20MP shooter for selfies. Poco F7 Pro include a 6000 mAh battery with 90W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.